Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Figma file and locating the text you need to resize. Select a single text layer or drag to multi-select several. This allows uniform changes. Once selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel where Font and Size live. You'll see the numeric size field. You can type a new value or use the up/down arrows. This first step establishes the baseline, so changes are consistent across components and avoids accidental overrides later. Now refine the size and related settings so your text behaves correctly. Type an exact number for precision or press the arrow keys for small increments. Holding Shift often changes step size. Make sure to choose Auto Width or Fixed to control how lines wrap when the container changes. If you need consistent sizing across the file, apply a text style or U-scale in the selection menu. This helps when resizing components for different breakpoints or screens, keeping hierarchy intact. Finish by confirming sizes across instances and making adjustments for legibility. Once done, apply or update text styles so future edits propagate. If you scaled grouped elements, review individual layers because nested components can inherit unexpected values. Use scale for uniform resizing. Finally, preview at 100% to check real-world readability. If a text size doesn't change, make sure the layer isn't inside a locked or nested component with its own override. Unlock or edit the master component to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.